I am giving you another reason to say goodbye to plastics, and trust me, this is something you wouldn't have expected. You have heard that plastic is polluting the oceans. You have heard it's in your food, your blood, even your lungs. But according to a landmark peer reviewed study, microplastics are now responsible for trapping heat and amplifying global warming. Yes, you heard me right. And here's what makes this even more shocking. The scientists who discovered this are from the world's largest plastic producing country. Researchers from China and the US found that tiny colored plastic particles absorb sunlight as winds blow them across the globe, trapping heat and contributing to rising temperatures. For years, science told us that plastic particles in the air were white and reflective, basically harmless when it came to temperature. But this new study tells a very different story. Most plastic particles drifting through the atmosphere are not white as previously assumed. They are colored, and colored plastic absorbs sunlight. It traps heat just like greenhouse gases. And here's the kicker. Even lighter colored plastics that start off reflecting sunlight gradually darken as they age in the atmosphere. So, over time, their net effect is still warming. So, how did all this plastic end up in the sky in the first place? It's simpler than you would think. Plastic waste accumulates in our oceans and on land. Sunlight breaks it down into smaller and smaller pieces, nano and microplastics. Wind then carries these invisible particles high into the atmosphere where they float in air currents and travel through the entire globe. The sky isn't just falling, it's heating up with our trash. So the question is, will you still reach for that piece of plastic lying in your home? Drop your thoughts in the comments below and don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Climate in Brief.